Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a small but meaningful gratitude gift idea that is perfect for friends, teachers, relatives, or any special occasions. This lovely set includes handcrafted cloth purses, beautiful pair of earring, and a matching bracelet. Let's get started with making of the set. For the purse, I have taken beautiful daisy printed fabric with measurement 7 inches widthwise and 5 inches lengthwise. We want two pieces of main fabric, two pieces of lining fabric, and two pieces of felt with the same measurement and a zipper. Place the main fabric on the felt and stitch all the four sides. Repeat the same for another piece as well. Place the zipper on the stitched fabric so that right side of zipper faces right side of the main fabric. Now keep the lining fabric on it and give a stitch. Please make sure that zip is attached properly in between main fabric and the lining fabric. Now turn it and give a top stitch. Top stitch will give a neat finish for the purse. Now keep this zipper attached panel on the floor and place the second panel on the zipper, making sure that the right side of both the panels are facing each other. Turn it and place the second lining piece on it and give a stitch. Now top stitch as we did earlier for first panel. Open the zipper and insert the runner into the zipper. Bring the lining pieces together and main fabric together and stitch all the sides except one side. Cut the extra zipper. Turn the purse right side out through the opening. Pull the lining cloth to find the gap and stitch the gap. Start inserting the lining cloth inside. Our cute purse is ready here. Now beautiful jewelry set is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching both purse and jewelry set. Presenting this as a gratitude gift is a thoughtful and affordable way to say thank you with love and style. If you like this idea, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to more creative ideas. Thank you for watching.